Hello, my name is Fabian David Garcia. My ID, vale. My postcard, City of Petra, Rose of the Jordan Certainty. Okay. Hello. Okay. Vale. Hello, mom and dad. Hi, I am in the country Jordan. I am visiting the cities Petra. This is a of seven wonder of war. There are beautiful structures and archaeologies. I am in front of the great temple Petra. Next there is the tomb of King. It did know big it is this city ancient. This is a unique, majestic, and incredible city. It is known as the Jordan Desert Rose. I don't like that hot. I wore my favorite shirt on. I see you soon. Bye bye. Okay, thank you.